Hi, I'm so glad you made it to this page. I'm Dr. Erica Goodstone, and I want to ask you, would you like to create your own virtual summit and build a big following in your specific niche, and you can have a step-by-step guided process? It's not easy to create a virtual summit. There are so many moving pieces, and it really helps to speak to someone who's been through the process. And I have at this point created 8 virtual summits. So I know a little bit about it and what it takes and so many of the details. So, what this can do for you, first of all, for the speakers on your summit, you provide your unique questions so you can gear some of it toward your expertise. And you answer, you have an interview, but you're also responding. You highlight the speaker's expertise. You give experts a chance to shine and to connect with you and to see you as their peer. Then for your attendees, you give them a chance to hear leading experts in this particular niche for free. The niche could be about making money, it can be about life success, it can be about a particular thing like playing better tennis or better golf or yoga. It could be whatever your expertise is or your niche that you want to promote is. And you also give them new information, unique insights, inspiration. You help people who may be feeling lonely and depressed, and then they see there's all these people that they can connect with, and you give free gifts. You don't give them, you may give one or two, but your speakers give some free gifts and discounted offers. And then for you as the host, you get to enhance your own professional image. You add followers to your list and you build relationships and credibility with these followers. And with your social media, you really build a big presence that you may not have had before, or you expand what's there. And you can sell the summit package for whatever price you choose. And you can also offer your services, your coaching services, your products. And it's good to do it in a way that's not flashy, but it's there and people have access to it. So if you would really like to do this and maybe you're afraid or you're afraid to do it alone, I really recommend don't do it all alone. It's overwhelming and you can leave out some pieces and really mess up important parts of it. So let me hold your hand and take you through the steps as you plan, organize, conceptualize, and implement your successful virtual summit. Or maybe as you take the course, you realize this is too much for me. I don't want to create such a huge event. Maybe you want to do something smaller, like a few short webinar series events, or a weekly podcast, or just increase your email series. This will give you so much insight into what's possible for you, whether or not you finally decide to create a virtual summit. But if you really want to do this, I can help you. And I can help you with the resources and how to go about it as inexpensively and cost effectively as you can. So please join me. Click the link, join, and we'll talk further.